What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, hot looking device. Now this is an absolute beauty of device, so you want to protect this beautiful phone. And I have some cases here from a company called Ringke. Now I picked these up on Amazon. I'll leave some links down in the description so you guys can pick these up. They are affiliate links, they help me out. Now first things first, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when you know when videos like this are coming right at you. Now, these are 3 cases that I picked up on Amazon, and they are the clear case, there's a black, and then there's a matte clear. So the first one we're going to do is the clear case. So we're going to go ahead and pop these open. Now, these run about close to 30 bucks each, as you can see here in the description. You can pick them up for $26.99 right from Amazon, and they come in 3 different colors or 3 different types. This is the clear that we're going to open up here. And Ringke is an excellent company. They've done a lot of stuff as far as cases for different phones. Now you have, this is a 2-piece, this is that clear. So you're going to be able to see your device real nice, and it's going to show off your color. Now if you have the gray green or the beige, this is really going to look hot. Or even if you have the black, you're going to be able to take a look at that. But let me put these together. My camera is not focusing. There we go. But there's the cover screen. We're going to go ahead and pop this sucker on here on the back, so you guys can kind of get a feel of what it looks like. It pops real easy. It just snaps on to the back, and you get that clear case so you can show off your color, whether you have the black, the gray green, or the beige with the gold trim. But yeah, this is not bad at all, if you ask me. Doesn't protect the hinge. Your hinge is still exposed. Your cover screen does have some protection there on the edges, and if you have a screen protector, which I have, it really works out well. And then you get some coverage here on the bottom, coverage along the sides here. It shows all your great looking device. There's your hinge. And then on the back for your cameras, it does protect a little bit. I do have a camera protector on here. And then this thing I like about clear cases is sometimes they will smudge, but you can just wipe it down, and there you go. You got your nice little look as far as that's concerned. Now, as far as, let's take a look at the matte clear, because that'll probably be something that's a little bit less smudgy. Now, the other thing you gotta worry about is these cases, sometimes they yellow on you, but yeah, I think I already see how this has like that matte already on there. I think I like this a little better, because the clear, I think, will smudge a lot. Look at that. I mean, that has a really good look to it. Yeah, that was a professional installation. Yeah, I think I like this. I like this already, because it doesn't bubble. I don't think there's something there in there. Yeah, there's a little bit of dirt there. Well, let's wipe it down first. That way it looks real nice when you put it on. And then you put the cover screen here. There we go. Yeah, I think I do like this this one here a lot more. Yeah, I don't know, I think I do like that the clear does show it off, and this one, I don't know, it doesn't look as hot as the clear one. But you do, it's the same basic case. It's the same exact case, it's just a different color. But it does give you a little protection on the back, and on the front it covers the bezels of the cover display on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. And finally, the black slim case from Ringke. Go ahead and take this out. Yeah, big shout out to Ringke. They have sent me cases before, but I had to order these because I just didn't get them yet. So, but I wanted to show you guys the Ringke cases so you guys can kind of see. This is a black. Yeah, you get a little Little texture here in the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and put the Z in here. The Z Quattro. And look at one of the things from the other cases stuck to the fold. And then we'll put this one here. And see how it opens. Yeah, it opens good. Yeah, this is a good look for the black. Yeah, this is probably the best one. This is the one I probably use. My device is black. Now, if you do have the beige or the gray green, you may want to go with the clear case. I think that's probably the move. But I like this. This is really nice. Yeah, not bad. This is the Ringke Slim anti-yellowing material, compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. $26.99. You can pick them up. Looks like they're in stock and they'll deliver by Saturday, so you're good to go. But yeah, this one's nice. I like the black. I think that's the nicest one. But that's gonna do it, man. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you're looking for cases on the Galaxy Z Fold4, you recommend any you want me to do a video on, take a look at my videos and let me know. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks so much for watching. Ning, 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 ning.